Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage email subscriptions in the AliExpress application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the notification settings button. And then click on the manage email subscriptions button. And as you can see here, you can decide if you want to receive email notifications and reminders on these topics. And if you do, then just click on the white circle next to those that you want. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.